Alright guys, we're back with another one. This is a 2002 Honda Accord, and it's a 2.4, I believe. 2.3. 2.3. It's a 2.3 here that we got, and we're resealing it up because it was leaking oil from everywhere. The valve covers, rear main seal, oil pan, the timing, all that stuff. We're gonna change the camshaft, seal, crankshaft, also the oil filter housing, all that stuff. Since it had all that, I told the customer it's better to take off the whole engine, seal it up out here, clean it, and then throw it back in there. So as you can see, there is a lot of process to do all this. We have to take everything out individually and clean it, put everything back on, and as you can see, my guy's clean. The old gaskets off, so that's, you know, all that is tedious work that we have to do that goes into stuff like this. So if you're wondering what that looks like, this is what it looks like. You know, also like thermostats has to be changed. If they're old, hoses, all types of miscellaneous hoses that are gonna have to be replaced because they're all old and brittle. This is a 2002, has more than 20 plus years on it, so you have to consider all that if you want to do something like this correctly. If not, then you do all this work and then eventually they'll crack and stuff like that. So because you're removing them, so that causes, you know, friction in places that haven't been moved in 20 years. So it's good to replace all that, like these hoses, all that good stuff. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Check it out.